DJM TV.
Welcome to DJM TV News, where you get the latest information as the trend. Please, if you are new to this channel, subscribe to our YouTube channel at DJM TV. Click on the notification bell so you keep receiving videos from us as they drop. And if you're on Facebook, like our Facebook page at DJM TV. On Twitter, follow us at DJM TV. Also on our website at www.djmtv.news, where we drop videos 247. I am Lawuru Favor for DJM TV News.
Yes, it's one of the best evenings I have. I think I admired his courage. I told him it's an environment that has been thoroughly converted to PDP. For him to come out and join us now is a great thing for the party. The party has been very lucky to have him. And it's stabilizing the national politics. You know, for a governor from the southeast, you know, to come back and join APC at this stage. Already you, the press, are speculating that he wants to be president. What's wrong with that?
So many reasons why the APC. First is that my state in the southeast, we have quite a lot to talk about the prosperity of my state under the APC-led administration at the center. And like I said in the morning, we have stayed so long as Southeast people in PDP, and I've asked myself up and down, what is it that we say that we have benefited from the PDP administration in the past 16 years compared to what we have right now? Is it the second Niger bridge? Is it the Enugu-Port Harcourt route? Is it the dredging of the Niger bridge? And so on and so forth. And the charity begins at home. So if you come to my state, you will see quite a lot of development. And these developments were not done with the FAC allocation. They were done by special intervention of Mr. President. And so that's why the APC. So if I've been at the periphery and I got all this development for my people, I said, look, we have to play at the center. And moreover, it is important that the people of Southeast should, for once, stop being in opposition and then come to the center and join other regions to participate in the national building of this country.
So what's your message to those still sitting on the fence in the Southeast?
It's difficult to pass a message with the fake social media news, but the truth remains that there is every reason for every person from Southeast to re-examine, you know, my purpose of leaving the PDP, and they know that the people of Southeast, we have no place in PDP. We have a place in APC, and I can boldly say that Mr. President has treated all the governors equally. And this is the reason I found it easy and convenient to develop Ebonyi State. I can boldly say that under Mr. President, I have developed Ebonyi State.
Well, I feel very happy, and the entire APC family is very happy, because our priority as a party is peace, unity, progress, and national development under the able leadership of our president and leader, President Muhammad Buhari. and we are rebuilding our party. Many more are joining, many more are coming.
Oh, I have a 20th member, and I'm counting more. He's the newest, so he will carry a lot of burden in bringing others. We are quite excited. We are quite excited that the vision of our party leader, President Muhammadu Buhari, the vision of the foundation fathers who brought APC together to be a party for all Nigerians is coming back strong.
In fact, I'm representing the Southeast at Caretaker Committee. I feel very excited because our founding fathers, from Nnamdi Azikiwe down, they abhor opposition. We have always fared well when we play at the center and join the majority party. We don't have the capacity to remain in opposition because it requires internally generated revenue. Maybe some other zones are well placed and they can generate money locally. Our people have investment all over the country. Direct investment, not portfolio investment, direct investment. And we need to protect it. If Nigeria is strong, the Igbos will do better. The solidarity of Nigeria is very important to us. So we belong to the center. That's where our people have always been. We feel comfortable playing with the national politics. Thank you.
DJM TV. DJM TV.
Fulani people don't say no, they don't like us. Welcome to DJM TV.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.
Some of the delegates and ask the question.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.
Fulani people don't say no, they don't like us. Welcome to DJM TV.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.
Some of the delegates and ask the question.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.